All right, guys. Well, the work truck, my Toyota Tacoma starter's been acting up. Sometimes when I try to start it, I just get clicks, and then sometimes it'll finally turn over, and then it won't stop engaging while it's running. So we kind of got a problem here. All right, at least it disengaged that time, but we're gonna get that taken care of. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Stay tuned. All right, to get started, we're gonna remove the positive cable and take these wheels off. I already got it jacked up, and it just gives you a little bit more access to start. You can see it right there. It's only got 2 bolts, a plug, and the positive wire going to it, so it shouldn't be too bad to get out of there. All right, so we got the starter out. We got to take these 3 bolts out of here to get to the inside of that solenoid. And we got our Dorman 02349 starter solenoid rebuild kit. And it's got the contacts we need in there. And I'm pretty sure the contacts are going to be wore out in there. And that's why it's getting sticky and it's clicking and not doing what it's supposed to do. So let's get it tore apart. So after getting the cap off and getting it tore apart a little bit, I don't know if you can see that, but that is corroded real bad in there. And there's a pretty nasty ridge on that from where it was riding on. And I think that was probably some of my problem, not getting the correct voltage there and whatnot. So I think with these new contacts and everything freshened up in there, I'll put some dielectric grease and everything to kind of keep the corrosion down. I think we're going to be good to go. So let's see what happens. All right, got the new contacts in there. Got my plunger all cleaned up. We're just gonna shove that back in there. Now I just gotta put that cap on there, put the starter back in, and see if she bumps over on the first try. Fingers crossed, here we go. All right, got the wheel back on, got everything put back together. Moment of truth here. See if she starts. First try, let's go. Nice and smooth. Looks like that was it. But rather than spending a couple $100 on a new starter, I think that solenoid rebuild kit was about $30, $40 maybe. So, in about an hour to do it. So I'll take that over a couple $100 every time. And I guess it's a pretty common problem on Toyota starters that those contacts go bad and stuff like that. So hopefully this helps somebody else out. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.